Mr. President, kung wala kay gugma o wala kay aspirations sa imuhang nasod, resign. Ang ginahimo ana nila parehas ng People's Initiative nila karon. Power tripping man na. Through the use of money, influence, and power that they have because they are seated in the highest position. Now on, before you go to bed, think of the Romanovs. Think of Benito Mussolini and his wife. And think of what happened to you in 1986. And maybe you'll reconsider the direction that you are taking.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.